Let's take a look at those severe weather threats. Again, the main timing for this right now is about noon Monday till 4 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. Now, I know that is a very long time frame, and this likely will get narrowed down as we get closer to Monday, but still make sure to stay weather aware Monday afternoon through the overnight hours. Damaging wind gusts and tornadoes are the two main threats here, but especially damaging wind gusts as a squall line is likely to develop during the overnight hours, and with any line of thunderstorms, 60 to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts become the primary threat. Large hail also cannot be ruled out, mainly in the early afternoon on Monday, as storms during that time frame will be more elevated, and then heavy rain certainly a threat as well, because this will be a pretty efficient rainmaker for us. Again, flash flooding is not a major concern, but some minor flash flooding cannot be ruled out. We'll talk about that more in just a bit. 7 o'clock in the morning on Monday, let's take a look at Futurecast. There's a few showers out there. This activity will be very light if it even develops at all. But notice as we head into the early afternoon, you see some thunderstorms developing. Now the air at the surface when these storms will develop is still going to be pretty stable. So these are going to be elevated thunderstorms, and they will bring a risk of some large hail if they can get strong enough. That's for the early part of the afternoon. As we start heading into the mid-afternoon hours, late afternoon and early evening, we have a chance for seeing some storms developing. Futurecast does not have much activity out ahead of the main line of thunderstorms that is developing off to our west. That will be good news if we can keep those storms away, but if we do see some storms develop out ahead of the main line of thunderstorms, that will bring the heightened risk of tornadoes. But as we head into the evening hours, we'll see that line of thunderstorms develop, and this will be a pretty strong line of thunderstorms. Even if it doesn't get to severe limits, it's still going to pack some gusty winds and heavy rain. By 2 o'clock in the morning, the line is pushing on through. Not only will we be looking at a threat of damaging wind gusts as this line moves on in, but some tornadoes also cannot be ruled out as well. Through the early morning hours on Tuesday, the line will start to exit the area. Now, I mentioned the rainfall with this system earlier, and we could see widespread 1 to 2 inches of rain, and even some locally higher amounts possible, upwards of 3 inches. So this will bring, at the very least, beneficial rainfall to our area. Taking a look at Longview right now, with our tower cam, we're seeing some mainly clear skies out there. Temperatures in the upper 50s. Winds are finally on the lighter side as well. Winds will pick up though as we head into the daytime tomorrow. But let's take a look at your overnight forecast. We drop down to the low to mid 40s. Now clouds will start to increase a bit towards daybreak. Winds will be light through the overnight hours. Maybe 1 or 2 of us drop into the upper 30s. As we take a look at your 7-day forecast, we are going to see, again, highs in the upper 70s on Sunday. Wind increases, so that could elevate the fire weather concern for Sunday. And then Monday, we switch gears to a severe weather alert day as our next storm system arrives. Rain into Tuesday morning, and then we dry things out and cool things down to close out the next work week. For Deep East Texas, it is more of the same, highs near 80 on Sunday, but we're watching the risk for strong to severe thunderstorms, especially late Monday and into the early morning hours on Tuesday, bringing some heavy rain with it as well. And then we dry things out heading into the day on Wednesday.